Top 5 Best Lenovo Laptops 2022. Number 1. Lenovo ThinkBook 13's Gen 2 Intel Laptop 2022, 13.3 inches IPS 300 nits, 11th Intel i7 1165 G7 up to 4.7 GHz 16 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD, backlit keyboard, fingerprint reader, Win 10 Pro. Number 2. 2022 newest Lenovo IdeaPad 3 laptop, 15.6-inch HD touchscreen, 11th General Intel Core i3-1115G4 processor, 12GB DDR4 RAM, 512GB SSD, HDMI, webcam, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth, Windows 11 Home. Memory is 12GB high bandwidth RAM to smoothly run multiple applications and browser tabs all at once. Hard drive is 512GB solid state. Number 3. 2022 Lenovo ThinkBook 15G3 Business Laptop, 15.6 inches FHD IPS anti-glare touchscreen, AMD octa-core Ryzen 7 5700U, Wi-Fi, HDMI, backlit KB, fingerprint reader, Win 10 Pro, 24GB RAM, 1TB SSD. AMD Ryzen 7 5700U processor, 1.80 GHz, up to 4.3. Number 4. 2022 newest Lenovo IdeaPad 3 laptop, 15.6-inch FHD display, Intel dual-core processor, Intel UHD graphics, 8GB RAM, 256GB SSD, fingerprint reader, webcam, HDMI, Bluetooth 5.0, gray. Windows 11. RAM is upgraded to 8GB high bandwidth RAM to smoothly run multiple applications and browser tabs all at once. Hard drive is upgraded to 256GB SIM.2 solid state drive to allow Number 5. Lenovo IdeaPad 3 15.6 inches FHD touchscreen laptop 2022, 11th General Intel Core i5-1135G7 up to 4.2 GHz, 20GB RAM 512GB SSD. Backlit KB, USB-A and C, Wi-Fi X, gray, Windows 11s Intel 11th generation Core i5-1135G7 processor, 4-core, 8M cache, up to 4.20